Hi Gemma. Before I move on to the question that I've got for you today, I wanted to introduce myself to the audience. I'm Isla, the Digital Marketing Exec at V12 Footwear, who specialise in safety footwear and accessories for a wide range of industries. And this year we'll be sponsoring Women in Engineering, known as INWED, on the 23rd of June, which is an international awareness campaign and aims to raise the profile of women in engineering and focuses attention on the amazing career opportunities that are available. Gemma, just so everyone knows who you are, please can you explain a little bit about yourself and what you do?
I'm Gemma O'Mahony, and I have been in engineering about 21 years now, and I've come up from being a technician all the way up to now actual engineer level. Recently working with surgical robotics, and now looking for open to new challenges and opportunities.
Fantastic. And the question that I've got for you today, Gemma, is why are events such as INWED important? And in your opinion, how are companies like ourselves helping support women in engineering?
I think it's really important because when I first started out, there wasn't a great deal of female PPE. Back when I started, we wore men's boots, men's overalls, and any PPE, it was a case of you might have to tape it to fit or tie it to fit. So it's been really important that INWED has come about, because it's making the entrance to engineering a lot easier. I've seen quite a few of the young women that are progressing in their careers. It's been particularly good for them to come out of university, and it's more sort of frequent. It seems more normal for a woman to be able to apply for an engineering role. Yeah. And obviously we're having a PPE company that is actually backing up, like with V12. I've actually tried out the boots, and I know that they were really good for when you were working in sort of heavy engineering, if you were on your feet a long time, or even on ballast if you're railway inclined, because it kept the structure in the foot. And it was really nice to be able to try all that while being a technician, because previously when I first started, we didn't have that. So it's nice that there are companies that are in support of it, and hopefully, and with INWED as well, that it will change the culture. Because as I mentioned before, when I first started out, I had to pay for my own sort of beginning of engineering. I went through 257 companies before I got an apprenticeship. And some of the things that I heard was, oh, well, we don't really have the facilities for women, or women are a distraction, could be a distraction in an engineering workplace. And over time, where we've seen more women within engineering, it has actually improved sort of the behaviour. It's become more normal, or it's becoming more normal. There is a lot more work to obviously be done, but in the future it won't be so strange to get a funny reaction. I still get funny reactions now if I turn around and they say, well, what are you? I said, well, I'm kind of an electronic engineer. They're like, wow, you're an engineer? So it is a funny response, even in this day and age, when it's so, you know, with the likes of INWED and the other women in engineering functions. It is quite strange now.
Yeah, it should be seen as normal, shouldn't it?
Yeah, it should. It should.
Oh, that's brilliant. That clears up a lot of stuff that a lot of people ask regarding PPE, and also jobs in engineering as well. That was my only question for you today, Gemma. Is there anything else that you wanted to add?
Not really, other than the INWED might start to change sort of the mentality. And I think even as we move into the next sort of future sort of centuries, the day of the draconian misogynistic guy that says, don't worry, your pretty little head will be gone.
Yeah, I hope so too. Oh, thank you, Gemma, for your time. It was really good to speak to you today. And we'll catch up soon.
Yeah, brilliant.
Thanks.
Thank you. Cheers.